day 2. I missed like 2 days. I'm so upset about that, but okay, we're back, we're grinding, and you clicked on this thumbnail. That means that you want to know how to make this kitty potato back here, so keep on watching. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey! Make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. Okay, so I know I said last video that DIY was the easiest DIY that I have ever done on my channel. Well, I totally take that back. This, as of right now, is the easiest DIY that I have done on my channel, and it is super cute. So that is 2 things that makes this a winner, okay? Literally, this is the easiest DIY ever. I'm super excited to show this to you. I hope you're ready to see how to make this, and let's get started. The main materials you're gonna need for this project are 1 wooden word, 1 wreath, 1 chicken wire wood frame, ribbon, and wood stain. So I picked up the wooden word Joy from the Target dollar spot, and of course it got all messed up, so it has a lot of scratches and marks and stuff on it. And instead of painting this over, I'm just going to take my scrub pad that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to scrub off all of those marks. So now we're gonna start working on our lovely frame here, which I stained off camera because honestly I don't know what happened to my footage. Sorry. I got this frame from Hobby Lobby, and it already has the hooks attached to the back, so you don't have to buy any to add. And I want to say I paid about $7 something for this frame, using a coupon of course. And now I'm going to take my dollar store wreath, and I'm just going to start to fluff this wreath out and make it look very full, because these tend to be a little scary looking when you first get them. So now I'm just going to take a piece of ribbon that I've already pre-cut, and all I'm going to do is slide that underneath, and we are going to attach that to the top of our frame so that our wreath will just dangle in the center. And I'm just going to use my glue gun to do this. Alright, so now we're going to start working on the placement of our joy sign, and I'm going to be using twine to add this to my wreath. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark off where I need to add that twine so that we'll be able to tie it to the wreath. So after you get your marks, I'm just going to cut my twine, and I'm going to cut it long enough to where when I attach it to the back, I'll be able to have enough room to actually double tie it to the wreath. Alright, so now that the glue has dried that I placed on first, I'm just going to now go back over it with some more glue to just kind of enclose that twine so it'll have a nice seal. And you can also mix this with E6000, so of course you'll have a stronger bond. And as you can see here, it's on nice and snug, so you don't have to worry about it coming off. I double tied them to the actual wiring, if you can see that, and now it's nice and secure. I did have footage of me doing that, but I do not know what happened to it, but this is what it looks like overall. So when you do flip it over, now you cannot see where we added the twine or tied it to the back. It just looks like it's floating on the wreath. Alright, so basically we're pretty much finished. Now I'm just going to be fluffing out my wreath just a little bit more since I added the joy sign to it. But there is so much that you can do to this. You can add a bow in the center there if you want. You can flock the wreath with the sand and snow and make it look all winter wonderland. You can add bells, lights, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to keep it a little bit simple and leave it like this and just have fun with it. So if you've made it to the end of this video, give yourself a clap. That means that I'm going to be doing another giveaway. So this giveaway today is going to be bam, bam. So these are the DIYs that I did yesterday. If you have not seen this, make sure you check it out. I'll have it linked up here at the top and also down below. And I am going to be giving these away. jingle bells, jingle all the way. I'm gonna be giving these away, and all you have to do is comment down below either a snowflake emoji or a tree emoji. And if you do not have the emojis, you can just put in snowflake in parentheses or Christmas tree in parentheses, and that'll let me know you know, how to break it down of who wants what. And yeah, so if you want a snowflake, do a snowflake. If you want a Christmas tree, do a Christmas tree. My favorite is the snowflake. I like the Christmas tree too, but my favorite is the snowflake. If you want to be entered into this giveaway, make sure you do that simple step and you'll be entered into the giveaway. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think about this one. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.